Don't have details of what was said in the build-up to this, apart from local media confirming that the former Prime Minister of Pakistan has been granted bail following the ruling that his arrest on Tuesday was illegal. Now, the reason there is so much attention on that front door at the moment in Islamabad is that Imran Khan has hinted that he could well be rearrested once he exits, once he leaves the premises of that court in Islamabad. And if that happens, well, the concern is that we'll see a repeat of the scenes we saw from Tuesday onwards. And that was his fans, his supporters rather, came out onto the streets to protest his arrest whilst he was in court on Tuesday. And he had been speaking earlier about his thoughts on what he described as huge crowds and the difficulty in controlling crowds, actually saying that there was a huge reaction which would go out of control because mobs are out of control. No one controls mobs. And that is one of the main concerns. 10 people already died as a result of those first protests on Tuesday. So what we are going to bring to you as and when it happens, you can see those cameras waiting to see what happens as Imran Khan comes through those doors. What happens next? So the reason he is appearing, the reason he is able to leave that court is that the Supreme Court in Islamabad had ruled that his arrest on Tuesday was illegal. He has since attended court in the last few hours. There was a break for Friday prayers. Court reconvened, and we've just heard that he has been granted bail. One of the things that Mr. Khan had been asking for, as well as bail, was that all the cases against him would be heard at the same time. Now, the original arrest on Tuesday concerned alleged corruption charges. There has been no ruling on that. What we had from the Supreme Court was that the arrest was illegal. However, Mr. Khan wants all and any cases that can and will be brought against him to be heard at once. His party, the PTI, have since confirmed that at the time of Mr. Khan's arrest and the time he was being held, that many senior members of the party, the PTI, had also been detained. So we're not hearing anything at the moment from the PTI. If I do get a reaction from Mr. Khan's party, I'll bring that to you. But just to confirm that Imran Khan has been granted bail following his hearing a short time ago in Islamabad. We're watching those scenes very closely. You can see on the other side of the screen there, that is the High Court in Islamabad.